I just replaced my battery with this replacement battery and kit. It took me about 25 minutes. Let me show you the process. This is everything that comes with the battery replacement kit. Now, it did not come with any instructions, just all the tools. My phone is trying to help me out by bulging, so it got it started here. But what we will want to do is we can use this for suction, and then we're going to try to pry the rest of the screen off, going around with this plastic tool. It's a little bit slow going, but not too bad. We don't really want to go fast. I'd rather get it done right. Let's go up along the top. I have seen a lot of people use isopropyl alcohol to kind of help loosen some of this stuff up. I don't know if that's necessary. Seems like slow and steady is doing a good job here. Right, and you can see the black part in here. We don't want to do anything with that, so we'll be careful to move the screen in this direction. This part should just come up. All right, now we've got the screen off. Now we want to remove this whole bracket here, so we'll undo all the screws here. The screwdriver works just fine. Keep in mind this screw is a smaller one. Yeah, so they're all the same size except for this small one that goes right here. Now we need to undo the tape so we can take this off. If you have tweezers, that might help. I'm just going to use this plastic tool. Yeah, and once you get it going, you can just kind of peel it off. You just need to get it off the battery itself. Just peel this back gradually and carefully. Again, you don't need to go fast. Just get it off the battery. And then this whole thing should just come off. Now we want to disconnect these connectors. So that's for the battery. And we will need to remove this tape as well. Slow and gradual. It should come off without getting destroyed. Now, I have seen some people with a heat gun heat up the battery. I'm going to try the slow and steady approach. Starting from the top, just trying to get it to come up as much as you can. Try to go careful. All right. I think that's most of it. So the rest we can do, just kind of slowly move it so the glue moves away. All right. And that is a horrible, horrible battery. So here's the replacement battery. It does have the sticky on top and bottom. I almost feel like not using this in case I ever have to do this again, but we're going to do it. So line this up at the bottom, and that just kind of plopped into place. So we'll put this tape back on, then we'll connect this again, or try to. All right, I think we got that. Can put this back in. Then we'll put the bracket back into place. Put the tape back on. Put the small screw back into place right here. And then we'll put this springy part back on as well. The top corner needs to go in there. And then this just pops in and snaps. Before I snap everything into place, we'll see if it actually works. Hey, Google. Why are you putting bad batteries in your phone, Google? Now the screen just kind of pops into place. Oh, I think I already kind of did. So yeah, the screen popped into place without me even wanting it to. About 35% battery left. that's okay. I bet it actually charges this time. Nice. Overall, the kit worked well. I didn't need any special tools. I didn't need any heat gun or anything like that. I think the key is just kind of slow and gradual. But again, it took me about 20-25 minutes to replace this, and I did go actually kind of slow. Now, it could have been nice if the set had tweezers, but I got by without it. I really don't know what these pieces are. Didn't come with instructions, but anyhow, I have the replacement battery in. Finally have a working phone again. It's a good kit.